Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a full hair care routine for you guys. I will show you what all the products that I use for my hair and the tips to keep your hair healthy. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that I would suggest you guys is to oil your hair. Now this has been going on since a lot of time, where mothers used to tell their daughters to oil their hair, and it actually has a very good use. So if you oil your hair will get all the nourishments that it lacks throughout the day, that is throughout the pollution and whatever damage it faces through. Your hair does lose a lot of nutrients, and in order to replenish them you need to provide supplements. So for that you can oil your hair once or twice a week. What I do is I oil them twice a week. Before I do my shampoo, I would oil them at the night, and in the morning I would wash my hair. Otherwise a 30-minute oiling your hair routine will do as well. So currently I'm using the Patanjali Kesh Kanti almond hair oil. I think this is working wonders for my hair because, as you know, almond is really good a protein source for your hair, and I am definitely loving this. Next and the most important point would be shampooing your hair. Now I know a lot of you shampoo your hair regularly, but I would tell you not to do that. Try to shampoo your hair twice a week or thrice a week at the maximum, because that way your hair will not go through much damage or much chemical damage. Another thing that I do for my hair is I switch out shampoos. What I do is I use a shampoo of one company for a little while, then I switch it out for another company with other nutrients, and I switch my shampoos. That way your hair does not get accustomed to one shampoo. What happens is, if your hair is accustomed to one kind of shampoo, then it will stop absorbing the nutrients that it gets from the shampoo. It's best to switch out your shampoo once every cycle. Now currently I am using two kinds of shampoos, and the first one would be THBD Hair Fall Defense Hair Fall Control Shampoo, and the next one is from the Body Shop Rainforest Shine Rainforest Brilliance. As you can see, I've almost used it up. So these two are my current favorites, and I am using them right now for this cycle. Next and the most important part would be conditioners. It's imperative that you use a conditioner after you shampoo your hair, and what I would suggest you is don't condition the roots of your hair. Just do it from 3/4 of your length, and always take a pea-sized amount of conditioner and apply it all through your hair, and let it condition for at least 5 minutes before you wash your hair. That way your hair will be really smooth, shiny, and really very silky. So currently what I'm using is the biotin and collagen conditioner from OGX. Shampoo that I mentioned from the Body Shop, the Rainforest Shine, it does really actually add shine to your hair. My hair looks shiny just because I use that shampoo. I have definitely noticed a change. Next would be to use a hair mask at least once a week. Now I usually buy hair masks from outside and then I use. However, recently I've started using homemade hair mask, and I feel the difference. I really feel it, and I think homemade masks are really good. However, if you want to buy a mask and apply it, there are a ton of them out there, and you can definitely check that out. Hair masks are really important because they give you the nutrients that are lost throughout the week in the pollution and the work and the job that you do. So in order to replenish your hair, I think hair mask is a really important step in your weekly routine. Next point would be always try to air dry your hair and not use a dryer whenever possible. If you are using a hair dryer or a hair straightener like I do sometimes, I do straighten my hair. I will leave the link of my hair straightening routine down below so that you guys can go check that out. So if you are like me, you have treated hair and you use a lot of heat on your hair, I would suggest you to use a heat protectant before you straighten your hair. This is really important to stop your hair from getting dry or damaged or have split ends. 3 products to show you guys. These are the ones that I frequently go for, I frequently use. So the first one would be the THBD Platinum Strength Heat Protectant Spray. Next one would be the Habib's Hair Dry Serum for dry curly hair. And last but not the least, the third one would be the THBD Thermal Creations Volumizing Mousse. So this is a mousse form, and this also really works as a wonder for your hair. We all use hairsprays when we set our hair or we do a particular hairstyle. So my suggestion would be, the next day after you use the hairspray, try to deep condition your hair and then wash your hair. What it will do is it will reduce the damage and the split ends that hairspray usually causes. Last but not the least, the most important point would be to eat healthy. Always remember, a good, nourished and balanced diet always helps your hair to grow and to rejuvenate itself. And include a lot of green leafy vegetables on your diet and fruits, and drink a lot of water a day as well. If you don't like drinking normal water, try to infuse it with lemon and cucumber. That would taste really nice. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys liked it, loved it, enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel down below. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you guys get notified of all my videos as soon as they are uploaded. All my social media links will be in the description bar down below, so go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until the next time, live long and prosper, my fellow earthlings.